Hello learners. It's great to see you again. In this video, we will learn more about the hardness of rocks. Do all rocks have the same level of hardness?
No. Different types of rocks have different level of hardness.
Yes, that's right. But how exactly do we test and compare the hardness of rocks?
Let's find out.
For this experiment, you will need 2 rocks of different types and an iron nail. Before we begin the experiment, let's observe the appearances of your 2 rocks. What do they look like? Now, let's test the hardness of the rocks. Let's test rock 1. Try to scratch rock 1 with the iron nail. Can the rock be scratched by the nail? Pause and observe.
There is a faint scratch mark on the rock. Yes, the rock can be scratched by the iron nail.
Now, let's test rock 2. Can we observe any scratch mark? Pause and observe.
Yes. There are scratch marks on rock 2. It is easier for the iron nail to scratch rock 2 as well.
What about your rocks? Did the iron nail scratch your rocks? So class, which rock shown in the video is the harder one?
Rock 1 is harder than rock 2. This is because it cannot be scratched as easily as rock 2. We can only observe a faint scratch mark on the rock.
Yes. A hard rock does not get scratched easily. If it is easy for us to scratch a rock, it tells us that the rock is not a hard rock. Great job on completing the video. I hope to see you soon.